The main problem faced while editing a photo is that one cannot give the best creativity to their work due to the limitations of the software. Have you ever wished to get away from these limitations? Do you want to be your own hero and make your dreams a reality? Well, now with the advancements of new AI tools like Adobe's new Firefly, we can make our wildest ideas into reality just by using words. Adobe has been trying to inject AI tools into its software for some time now. Firefly is a type of generative AI that has the power to turn normal words into extraordinary results. Generative AI can generate many images, text effects, vector graphics, and so more, enhancing your work to the next level. The beta version of Adobe Firefly was released in March 2023, which can generate images and simple text effects. We can just select the area and type simple descriptions like mountains, river, wings, fire-breathing dragon, and boom! The AI will generate your images within seconds, and we can select the one more suitable for our work. Yes, the time is here when our creativity can't be stopped by anything, and we can integrate everything into our work. There was a huge worldwide acceptance of the new introduction, and it was one of Adobe's most successful beta launches, with over 100 million beta users. Adobe aims to enable people to use just their language and other inputs to quickly test various new illustrations and 3D objects, remove unwanted parts from the photo, and create building blocks like brushes, vectors, and more. Adobe first introduced the generative fill in Adobe Photoshop, a software utility used for creating images, graphic designing, and photo editing, and helps to edit pixel-based images, raster, and vector graphics. It is also the world's first co-pilot creative AI. Adobe ensures that it will only increase the creativity of humans without replacing humans with AI tools. They commit to developing various AI creative tools with creators at the center. Before the introduction of Firefly, we used to edit for hours and hours to get our satisfied product. But now we can work with individual layers by expanding an image's border, which creates more control for the user if the direction is given. The ridiculous thing is that it can generate shadows and reflections in generated images. You can argue that we can also generate these photos on various AI, but this tool is going to develop furthermore, reach a wider audience by integrating into mainstream apps, and can integrate with Adobe's cloud products such as Adobe Express, Creative Cloud, and Document Cloud, and enhance workflows and tools for users. The current Firefly AI is trained to get data from Adobe stock, along with openly licensed work and public domain content where the copyright has expired. Thus, the worry of many creators whose copyrighted artwork may be stolen by AI is pointless. Adobe ensures that the content of Firefly will be commercially viable. As the new updates come, there will be a significant change in the generation of content, and individuals can access matches of their styles without the influence of others. Firefly can help the creators to design and create high-quality images in seconds, so designers can save a lot of time and edit with simple techniques. Even though there are many of these merits, some possible demerits exist. Firefly may not be able to create the exact content from our vision or style. It only gives an image that is similar to what you have in your mind. If the images generated are subjected to commercial purposes, there might be some legal issues regarding the ownership, which can cause issues for traditional editing workers. With the easiness provided by the Firefly, there will be an overproduction of content, and the hard work will never get what it deserves. Firefly will become a revolutionary technology in the near future that will bring more speed, precision, and ease, and helps to explore new ideas, style, and possibilities to unleash your full potential. Adobe is now trying to rectify any problems that the software may encounter and ensure support to the creative community. Adobe has said that they will expand the Firefly to support videos, social media, 3D modeling, etc. Firefly will also be integrated with other Adobe products like Adobe After Effects, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and more. Also set up a standard for responsibility and promote accountability, transparency, and originality in generative AI, as it is one of the pioneers in this field. So if you are interested in trying it, go to the official webpage of Adobe Firefly and click on the Request Access button in the right corner. Fill in the name, email address, country, and other information. You will have to answer some questions regarding your interest in Firefly, and finally, if you are accepted, you will get an email with instructions to download the beta version of it. And that's the end of the video. Hope you got to know something new from this. Please like and share it with your friends if you enjoyed the content. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button for more exclusive videos. Thank you for watching. We'll be back with another exciting video next time.